Alright, let's do a review for the Metabo HPT 10-inch sliding miter double compound. This thing is a great saw. It really is. For the price I paid for it, I forget what I paid for it, but I've had it for about 2 years now, and I love it. I mean, it's a fantastic saw. You've got your laser adjustment right here on the front. Safety trigger. You got your light and laser switch right there. Dust port in the back that actually works. You know, miter saws, they're kind of, it's rough with dust, you know, so I built a little shack over it, so it helps. But this thing slides great. It's a close to the wall unit too. You don't have to have it away from the wall because this is, the head slides on the tracks instead of the whole track sliding. You know what I mean? Usually the tracks are sliding instead of the head, so this just stays on the track and it can go all the way back up to the wall. Fantastic saw. Of course, I've done a little adjustment with the fence there. I gotta do it again, but I tore it up with some miter cuts. This thing I wanted to show you also has the dado stop right here, so if you want to cut dados or half lap, you can use that right there. Works perfectly. A little fine adjustment screw on top. But this saw, for the price, you can't beat it. I mean, this thing is a monster. I've had no issues with it yet. Just another great tool from them. The Metabo company, they've been making some great tools. I like the colors too. Great saw. Great saw. So if you're looking for a sliding miter that'll hold up on the job site or in the shop, this one's it. And I'm thinking about upgrading to the 12-inch. Maybe I will. We'll see. But if I do, I'll definitely do a review on that one too. Like I said before, I'm going to do a review on every tool in my shop. But this saw, thumbs up. Great job. Love it. Get it. You won't be disappointed. I wasn't.